asking?
Do you know about planes? I'm asking to people. You know how good about planes?
Not that much. Not that much.
Just asked. So, yeah, hello guys. So you are gonna see a pilot drive. Yeah, these are all the settings. If you didn't play the game, these are all the things. Already my cousin knows he already fly a plane. And do you remember last time? How was it?
Turbulence.
Not only turbulence. Remember that one time we drove? Okay, now join me.
I joined. Now why did I tell you?
Aura Master, look behind you. He changed his name.
Really potato nuggies. What the hell?
Where?
It's a leaderboard.
Wait, I don't see it in real life. Wait, let me see this one. Lazy potato knuckles. Lazy potato knuckle. Nuggies or something.
Nuggets.
It says nuggies, not nuggets.
Okay, guys, I'm playing Airplane Simulator. Everybody probably knows.
We already made a video. Yet.
Yeah. I have 4K. That's very nice. No, 4K is very, very nice. 4K is more than a 16 level player.
I should upload. It's still going to the runway. Yeah, I know I'm a bad driver. I've kind of. He's worse than me, dude. Everybody can agree that he's worse than me. Dude, that was a smooth one. That was smooth. You're right.
My game is lagging. Did you stop the plane or something?
Yeah. Did you put on your seatbelts? Put on your seatbelts. Did you put on your seatbelts?
Yeah, I did. I definitely put on my seatbelts.
So we're gonna have turbulence. So don't even try getting off the plane because when turbulence happens, you get off the plane. So that's why. Time to fly. Time to fly. Well, it's not my
So airlines is flying.
Well, it's not my first time making a airplane video. I made like before some. I think you guys know. You would only know if you watched it. If you didn't watch it, you are not my viewers. If you never watch it, you are not my viewers. Okay, what happened to my jet? I can't see anything.
Dude, you're not even that high.
Yeah, but I can't see anything. Sometimes that happens. Okay, we are not that high. We are only 55,000 feet up. Like, we are trying to land at. I was gonna land at Murchison Island, but now I should put Princess Juliana because I have a task there.
What? No, I can finally. Yeah, I'm playing Pokemon right now.
Guys, why he's playing Pokemon? How can he play Pokemon? Oh, he's watching that. I think he's playing in that. What is it called? Nintendo Switch? I think he's playing for Nintendo Switch. I don't even know about Nintendo Switch. Remember that other game that I'm kind of pretty good in Nintendo, in the TV? Remember?
Yeah, that sports thingy. I
Yeah,
think you're
sports.
good at. I think you're good at like. Which game were you good at? Bowling. You're good
Yeah,
at bowling.
bowling. Someone's name is Eat Nuggets. Why is there so much weird names?
Ultra Jacobice. Jackie Lee. Oda Master Split. That's me.
Bro just said his name out loud. Now you understand your name is very weird now.
No, it's not. It's definitely not weird. It's
Then why did you
definitely not.
Then why do you say your name? Almost just your name.
Guys, we're gonna crash in 3, 2, 1.
No, we are not gonna crash this. I'm the
It
best.
looks like we're going to crash because we're going too fast and
I'm literally at the normal speed that planes go in the
what?
ways. I'm the same speed that planes go in the plane way. To someone else. You just.
Why is the plane levitating? Okay, now it's.
When you got in, with your fatness, the plane stopped. I think that's why the plane stopped shaking, floating. You're right, guys. You're right. How would the plane stop moving? Yeah, imagine if I can drift to this plane. Imagine if I can make a donut drift.
Raxo. Ultra Jacobi. Devana. Wait, what?
Now, bro, saying my name is weird now.
No, it's not.
Now you're saying my name is weird, dude. He's so dude.
Dude, your name is not weird, okay? It has Narayan in it. It's a god name.
What?
Huh? Wait, one sec. Pause the video.
Wait, I'm gonna pause.
What is happening to the plane?
Yeah, guys, we got some turbulence. Do not mind that, guys. It's just some normal turbulence. Some normal turbulence. Now, why is the plane showing the butt? Wait, let me lift off. I need to lift off. I'm trying to pull up, dude. Stop yapping. I'm trying to pull up.
Okay,
Yeah, we are safe. We are pretty safe.
It was a fast plane.
We don't even have passengers in this plane. We only have one passenger, that's you.
Imagine if there was. This would be the worst flight ever.
Yo, this plane is dancing. This plane is dancing.
The plane got some moves, guys.
Yeah, the plane got some moves. Since when does plane walk? And dance. Yo, bro got some spinning moves.
Dancing, dude, this is better than Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift is a singer.
Not a dancer.
That was a dancer. Yeah, I think we get. Yeah, we are probably stuck here. Bro, just put his ear flaps out. For more injured. Maybe this can help me lift off this plane. Ain't no one way. I think this is gonna work properly. Is the plane moving or dancing?
No, it's not. It's still dancing. It's still dancing.
Yeah, this plane is probably stuck forever. Yeah, let me eject. Without the pilot, you are stuck. Without the pilot, you are stuck.
Now I'm flying the plane.
What? Wait, let me enter Copilot.
Oh, I'm fine.
Wait, what? How are you fixing it? Wait, you're fixing it! Wait, get out! Get out! Let me fix this. Ow.
I just ejected. I ejected.
Now you died. Now respawn at St. Martin.
Huh? Where should I respawn?
St. Martin. Martin. Yes! We are so close, guys. It's even the end now.
Where did Saint Martin go?
This is Princess Juliana. That's St. Martin.
Okay.
That is literally St. Martin. It's just beside the airport.
I can see Rascal's plane, but where's your plane?
My plane's wherever we were at. Yeah, I'm on a decent too.
I told you I'm not doing super for fucking
What?
You
Yeah.
know, Ronaldo too.
Yeah.
Pause the video.
Sorry guys, the video was actually paused. Landing mission!
You're landing?
Just landed. Yeah. You know that one time you were trying, we are talking random stuff in Airplane Simulator, but the video was paused the whole entire time.
Yeah.
The plane just landed. Well, we need to go to Sentosa, so this is gonna be a fine. Well, I don't mind it, but this is gonna be a fine. But still faster instead of driving to the runway. You're right.
Yeah.
Okay, why can't I see it? It's only 90 miles. 90 miles. So it's pretty to get there. It was in total. It was actually 398. But I have a fast jet, so very fast. So I get 6-7 miles. Got it. Someone else is landing, dude. That's actually a problem. What will the ATC tower do? Will it say something? It will only say pull up, stall. It'll only say that.
Yeah.
You landed. Is that Beluga Airlines? Yeah, Beluga Airlines.
Okay, after this, I'm gonna cut the video. Bye bye.
No.
It's already been 1 hour to it.
True, but why?
Why? What it becomes? Because I want to play Pokemon.
We'll play Pokemon in the video call. You're right.
When this video turns. Once this video turns 2 hours, I'm gonna do that.
How much hours is it? This video?
1 hour 58.
1 hour 58 minutes. Pretty cool. Our max level is 2 hours, 2 hours and all. Something 2 hours and 2 hours and 59 minutes. So this is kind of I need to check after this. I need to check that if I get 2K views or not. Ruga Airlines didn't take off.
Ruga Airlines taking off for some reason.
Ruga Airlines is the big bird of the sky. The last takeoff it behind. And brother, you need to go faster, okay, next time. So the plane flipped off.
Ruga Airlines has been transited off from Rail International.
You mean,
Wait, is this between?
no, it is male vanilla.
Oh.
Well, need to land at Redan, and I see the plane, Ruga Airlines.
I'm just gonna see it. Looking for me.
You see it?
Yep, now it's not glitching.
Ruga Airlines, what's up? We are the nearest plane near you. Yeah.
Now you're higher than me.
Ruga Airlines must be the top. Now we are probably gonna be the same height. But we need to land at Redan, and it's 300 something, 398 miles again. So this will be
We're landing at Greenfield Iceberg, right?
huh?
Where are we landing? Greenfield Iceberg or Marges?
We are landing on none of those.
Woody, you.
We are landing on Redan.
We're landing at Nuki Bala, what the?
No, we are landing at Indonesia. Redan.
Oh.
Don't you know which country is Indonesia in this country?
Yeah, I know. Okay, I did not know that Redan was Indonesia, but I know Indonesia is a country.
We discussed it about it.
No, minutes.
We discussed it about it. We discussed it about Redan is Indonesia. Did you forgot that? It's early, dude.
Yeah, kind of forgot.
We
Never
literally
mentioned
named
it.
We literally named it Indonesia because it looks like one.
What? I named it Indonesia because it looks like that? What the?
We named it, not you. I said we, not you.
Oh.
We are already here. We are above the country. I think so, yeah, we are. Now we are. After this landing, I'm going to show you this. How much? Just 6, 7. Just, I mean 6, 7 miles. Okay, still
Oh, person in my scooty, like,
friends.
and how he cries.
See a little nerd. See a nerd.
Did he post a video? Did he post a video?
We just reached it. We just reached the country. You can see, guys.
Huh?
We just reached Indonesia, dude.
He left.
You just left the game.
And yes.
You left the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see you guys on YouTube.
Okay guys, I got 2.1k views.
So thank you for watching my videos, guys. And who unliked this? Who unliked it? And thank you for 4 shares at least. But who unliked it? I had 70 views, not 69. And why do you guys not even subscribe, guys? Like, what's your problem? Like, you love all this video. You all love this.